Welcome to our video class. Today we discuss first chapter of trigonometry. This is trigonometric function, and in that compound angle, multiple angle and submultiple angles are there. It is known that trigonometry has huge number of formula, and success of this chapter will depend how much you can keep the formula intact, or rather very clearly. Success of this chapter depends on your memory, in fact. So I write some of them which are little bit confusing and etc. Here you try to keep in mind all these things. That will be helpful for you for solving problems. So I'm not going in detail. Just I take few examples, and that can be solved with the help of that. So first problem is, if pi by 4 less than theta less than pi by 2, then value of root over of 2 minus another square root of 2 minus 2 cos 4 theta. The options are there. Number 1, root 2 cos theta minus sin theta. Number 2, root 2 sin theta minus cos theta. Number 3, root 2 sin theta and root 2 cos theta. So let us start from here. Given quantity is 2 minus within root over 2 into 1 minus cos 4 theta. It is of the type 1 minus cos 4 theta. The 1 minus cos 4 theta is equal to, of that type, 1 minus cos 4 theta is squaring both sides, 2 sine square a by 2. So it will be equal to 2 minus within square root this 2, and this is equal to 2 sine square this is, if 2a, it is a by 2. 4 theta, it will be 2 theta. If it is so it is equal to root over of 2 minus 2 into root over sine square 2 theta, that is sine 2 theta. It is equal to root 2 can be taken common, and root over of 1 minus sine 2 theta, and 1 is clearly sine square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sine theta cos theta. So it is a perfect square. Now problem is, we can take it sine theta minus cos theta whole square or cos theta minus sine theta whole square. But which one to be taken? Positive value, which one is positive, we have to accept that value, because we know that root over of say 16, it is equal to root over of plus minus 4 whole square. So I cannot take plus 4 or minus 4 both, but I have to accept only positive value, because positive sign is there before that. So here range is given. Range is pi by 4 to pi by 2. Pi by 4 to pi by 2 means if it is pi by 4, it is pi by 2. In that range, sine theta is increasing function. The sine theta is 0 here and 1 there. So it is increases. And at pi by 4, sine theta and cos theta both are equal. After that, sine theta is greater than cos theta. So I have to take it as sine theta minus cos theta. Whole square and root over cancel. So answer is that. So I think option B is correct. Our next problem. Next problem is, if theta is divided into two parts, alpha and beta, such that tan alpha is to tan beta is equal to x by y. In fact, it is x is to y. Then value of sine of alpha minus beta by sine theta is, options are like that, x minus y by, then x plus y by x minus y, x minus y by x plus y, and finally x plus y by x square plus y square. The options are given in terms of x and y. This x and y, no alpha, no beta is there. Now given expression is sine alpha minus beta by sine theta. Theta is divided into two parts, alpha and beta. So theta is equal to alpha plus beta. Now using formula sine of a minus b, sine of a plus b, etc. Sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sine beta by sine alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sine beta. As answers are in terms of x and y, that is in terms of tan alpha and tan beta, try to express these things in terms of tan alpha or tan beta. For that purpose, you divide throughout by cos alpha and cos beta. তাহলে cos alpha into cos beta. So this becomes sin alpha by cos alpha and cos beta cancels, tan alpha. Here also same thing, cos alpha cancels, sin beta by cos beta. By this one is sin alpha cos beta. So cos beta cancels, tan alpha plus it is tan beta. Now divide throughout by tan beta. It is equal to tan alpha by tan beta minus, I am dividing by tan beta minus 1 divided by tan alpha by tan beta plus 1. Tan alpha by tan beta is x by y minus 1 by x by y plus 1. So it is equal to so this is third option is correct. So next problem. If tan beta q sin alpha by p plus q cos alpha, then tan alpha minus beta is equal to options p sin alpha by q plus p cos alpha. Second option q cos alpha by q plus p cos alpha. Q cos alpha by q plus p sin alpha. And last option is q sin alpha by q plus p cos alpha. So you see options in option there is no beta, only alpha, sin alpha, cos alpha, p, q, etc. are there. Now we have to find the value of tan of alpha minus beta, that is tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Now first of all try to eliminate beta, tan beta. Tan value of tan beta is this. So it is equal to tan alpha minus q sin alpha by p plus q cos alpha by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. Tan beta means something. Q sin alpha, this is tan alpha, into tan beta is q sin alpha divided by p plus q cos alpha is equal to. Now multiply numerator and denominator by this thing. Tan alpha into p plus q cos alpha minus q sin alpha by 1 into p plus q cos alpha plus tan alpha into that is sin alpha by cos alpha, so it is q sin square alpha by cos alpha. This is sin alpha by cos alpha, q sin square alpha by cos alpha. Now this one is p tan alpha q tan alpha into cos alpha, so q sin alpha minus q sin alpha by p plus q cos alpha plus q sin square alpha by cos alpha. Now this cancels, so thing become Now here we have to multiply by cos alpha. So cos alpha will be there. Just 1 minute. Cos alpha into P tan alpha. I multiply by cos alpha here and cos alpha by there also. And in denominator, P cos alpha plus Q cos square alpha plus Q sin square alpha. Sin tan alpha into cos alpha means P sin alpha. Cos alpha cancels. And here, Q taking common, sin square plus cos square, that is 1. So Q plus P cos alpha. I think we already obtained our result, and which is equal to this one. Fourth option is correct. Next problem. If pi by 2 less than a less than pi, and 3 tan a plus 4 is equal to 0, then numerical value of 2 cot a minus 5 cos a plus sin a is, options are 2 minus 23 by 5, 16 by 5 and 23 by 10. These are the options. It is given that A lies between pi by 2 to pi. That is, it lies in pi by 2 to pi means here in second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan A is negative, and it is given tan A is equal to minus 4 by 3 negative. Now we use some triangle form. If this angle is A, tan A is equal to minus 4 by 3. Tan A means this by that. If it is 4k, this is 3k. So by using Pythagoras law, it is equal to 5k. So from this figure, sin A, cos A, everything can be obtained. So before that, as because A lies in second quadrant, sin is positive there. Cot is negative there, as because tan is negative, cot is negative. And sin A positive and cos A is negative. Therefore, this value is 2 into cot A. Tan A is minus 4 by 3, so it is minus 3 by 4. Tan A is 4 by 3, so it is minus 3 by 4 with this minus 5. Cos A will be 3 by 5 with negative sign. Because why negative sign? It is lies in second quadrant. So it is minus 5 into minus 3 by 5 plus sin A. Sin A is 4 by 5 and it is positive. It is 4 by 5. So it is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 5. Now simplifying, 10 minus 15 plus 30 plus 8. So it is equal to 15 plus 8, 23 by 10. So option is that. Fourth option is correct. Our next problem. If sine to the power 6 plus cos to the power 6 theta is equal to 1 minus a, then which one is true? Number 1, minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 1 by 4. Second option, minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 3 by 4. 0 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 3 by 4, and 0 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 1 by 4. So let us see range of a. So given that 1 minus a is sine to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta. So we can write it sine square theta plus cos square theta whole cube, sine to the power 6 plus cos to the power 6, and the product term is taken here excess. So subtract minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta into now, as because this is 1, so it is simplified. 1 minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta into 1. Now the power 6 come down to square. In fact, square and another square. It can be written as 1 minus 3 by 4 into 4 sine square theta cos square theta. It is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 sine square 2 theta. Now you see, very easily we can say that it has a limit. Its limit is known, must have limit. Its limits lies between 0 and 1. It is 0 and 1. So now from these two we get a is equal to 3 by 4 sine square 2 theta. That is sine square 2 theta is equal to 4 by 3 a. But sine square theta, as I told you earlier, that if it is only sine 2 theta, then it must lie between minus 1 and plus 1. But sine square, so it lies between 0 and 1. So 4 by 3 lies between 1. A. So A is 0, 3 by 4. So option is This option is correct. So third option is correct. Okay. Now let us go for the next problem. The maximum and minimum value of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x plus 7. If it is only one trigonometric function sine or cos, we know if it is sine only, its maximum value is plus 1, minimum value is minus 1. But when it is maximum, this is not maximum, mind that. And it is a linear combination of sine and cos. So to get its maximum and minimum value, so let us try to find uh, try to express all these things in terms of only sine or only cos. For that purpose, as because it is linear combination of sine and cos, we divide and multiply by 3 square plus 4 square. That is 5. So 5 into 3 by 5 sin x plus 4 by 5 cos x plus 7. And you see, if it is cos alpha, it must be sin alpha, because sin square plus cos square alpha must be 1. Now this square plus that square, 9 plus 16 by 25 is 1. So, but actually we compelled to make them so, because if it is cos alpha, then it must be sin alpha. For that purpose, I divide by that. 3 square plus 4 square. So it is 5 into sine of x plus alpha plus 7. Now, it's one thing I have forgotten to write the options. Options are 12, 2, 12, 0, 7, minus 7, 12, minus 2. So now you see, its maximum value is 1. So maximum value of that part is 5. So maximum value of the whole, that is this, is 5 plus 7, that is 12. 12 is the maximum value. And minimum value of that part is minus 1. So this is minus 5 plus 7, that is 2. So minimum value is 2 and maximum value is 12. So this is correct option. Now for the next problem, the value of cos 8x plus 7 cos 6x plus 11 cos 4x plus 5 cos 2x by 2 into cos 7x plus 6 cos 5x plus 5 cos 3x. Its value is options cos x, sin x, half cos x, 4 cos x. So numerator of the given one, numerator only I am writing cos 8x plus 7 cos 6x plus 11 cos of 4x plus 5 cos of 2x. This can be written as cos 8x plus cos 6x. I have taken 1 cos 6x from there, 6 left. I have taken 6 cos 4x. So another 5 is left. So plus 5 of cos 4x plus cos 2x. So there are uh, terms like that, cos c plus cos d. This is the same thing. Cos c plus cos d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So it is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 means 7x plus 6 into again 2 into cos c plus d by 2 cos 5x into cos x. Oh, cos 7x into cos x. Cos c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So cos x. And plus 5 into 2 cos c plus d by 2, 3x into cos c minus d by 2. So taking 2 common, we have 2 and cos x common, 2 and cos x, cos 7x plus cos 5x plus cos 3x into cos x. So numerator is this, 2 is there and cos x is there and that expression which is exactly equal to that. It is 6. That's 6. So answer is 2 cancels, only cos x left. So answer is cos x. First option is correct. So next problem. If pi by 4 less than x less than pi by 2, then and y is equal to sin x plus cos x, then which one is correct? 1 less than or equal to y less than or equal to root 2, 1 less than y less than root 2, minus root 2 less than y less than root 2, and last option is 0 less than y less than root 2. So that problem is very simple, but mind that one thing is there. X limit of x is given, it lies between pi by 4 and pi by 2. That is pi by 4 and pi by 2 means it is pi by 4 and pi by 2, so it lies within that range. It is pi by 4, it is pi by 2. So y, actually limit of y have to calculate. Y is equal to, by dividing throughout by, to make sin x plus cos x, that linear combination, to a single function, either sin x or cos x. So we have to divide throughout by, divide and multiply by root over of 1 square plus 1 square, root 2. So this is root 2 into 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x. It become root 2 into sine of x plus pi by 4, because it is pi by 4 cos pi by 4, this is sine pi by 4, so formula is that. So now it is root 2 into sine of x plus pi by 4. X plus pi by 4 means that angle, maximum value of that, minimum value of that angle is sine pi by 2. X is pi by 4. And it is second one, x plus pi by 4, its maximum value is pi by 2 plus pi by 4. That is 3 pi by 4. And one root 2 is outside. And x not exactly equal to pi by 4 or not exactly equal to pi by 2, less than, etc. So it's this value is 1, so it lies root 2. Why? And this is actually 1 by, this value is 1 by root 2 into root 2 into 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root 2 and this is root 2. So it is 1. So y lies between this and that. But y is greater than that and less than. It lies between 1 and root 2. That is this one. Not equal. This is same limit, but they are not equal. So correct option is this. So okay. Thank you. If you feel that it will help you, so please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you.